Hi there! Check out this collapsible foldable wagon with wheels, perfect for groceries, gardening, camping, and shopping. It measures 27.4 inches long, 16.3 inches wide, and 37 inches high, with a handle height of 37 inches from the ground. Weighing only 11 pounds, it can carry up to 220 pounds, making it lightweight yet strong. The wagon features a retractable handle, sturdy frame, and durable wheels for smooth rolling. It folds quickly and stores compactly, fitting easily into any corner. Plus, it has a tail pocket for holding your electronics securely and an easy-to-remove bag for simple cleaning. Assembly is a breeze with clip-in wheels and a Velcro-secured fabric bag, ready for everyday use. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.